Is this a new one?
I think he either swapped the cab or something. There's a big gap here. Oh, you know what? I think he put this dump. Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
Because this was like green or this was, right?
The green one blew up. So he got this white chassis.
Did it blow up?
Yeah, he put that bed on it.
Oh my god. This bed's like so f***ed on this thing. The other one wasn't an extended cab, was it?
No, it was short. That's why there's a big gap. This is a long frame for the wrecker thing or whatever.
We've been having some coons out here.
Yep, raccoons got into our trash.
Alright, the Moinius. Save the best bag for you, buddy.
You get the raccoon bag.
Alright, hop in the truck. Everybody hop in the motherfucking truck.
Go around front,
Go feel how fluffy your dog is. Go feel it.
Kyle did yesterday.
Well, you should have kept her coming.
Is this thing on wheels?
No. Why? Gange. This says no climbing on or near. No climbing on or near.
Oh, it's a good idea to back up on ones like that. It's right in the top of it. My got wet from the garbage. Fresh garbage. It no need no more. It's gange.
Like that, dude. We filled up another dumpster load.
We knew we had another full load just in that pile in the belt.
Yeah, we knew.
Kyle, Brown was saying he wants to put a Dunkin' Donuts here.
That'd be fire.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go into the store. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Bumper off.
There's wood under the back tire. Oh.
Oh my god.
I've never heard that before. What is that? Just. Oh, that smells.
There's no hole.
I smell it though. Smells like burning oil.
No, I think maybe your timing belt just came off.
Nah, dude. No shot.
Your timing belt might have skipped timing, dude.
Nah, dude. Wasn't a time belt. I'll tell you that, eh?
I'll pop this cover off real quick.
Well, she was fucking hot, dude, probably. I don't know.
Is that porn?
Driving back last night, dude, getting some popcorn, dude. I'm like, yeah, it's getting kind of sluggish. I'm like, give it a little gas. It's like, I'm like, whoa, dude. You know what I mean? And I'm like, I gotta get somewhere, you know? Gotta get somewhere for reasons. So I keep going, and we pull over in the parking lot. Right as I start hearing like just a little, not a knock. It just sounded like a little bit like a like piston slap on like an old Subaru, like older Subaru. Like on a, like it sounded like a startup piston slap, and I just pulled into the parking lot, like just clutch in, let it die, pulled into the parking lot, smoking, dude. Look, the turbo in there. There's oil all over there. Too fast for its own good, dude. But I mean, this engine owes me nothing, dude. It's just like an unknown mileage engine that the car has 270K on it. Like, I'm surprised, but I'm not. I also myself with the whole luck thing, but that's for another day's story. Yeah, see, look. See the line? There's oil all over the...
Yeah, I wonder if you're...
What?
It sounds like the timing belt is off and the crank is just cranking. You know what I mean?
She's got no compression, mira. The rings is gone.
No, I think the crank is cranking and all the valves. You know, it said go f yourself.
Eh.
The flywheel.
Why would that happen, dude? It was overheating, 100%. My heat wasn't working. Like, I know it was overheating, so I like, the rings are gone.
I would call it the guy, dude.
Alright, you're the Subaru guy, dude. I'll let you know what I mean.
I ain't taking I gotta replace mine in a week or two when it pops too, dude.
Yeah, my smells like,
dude.
smells like popcorn. I gotta register the 240. I got a daily the 240 now.
Too bad we didn't have a moped, dude.
Is that rub mark from you hitting?
Yeah.
So yeah, you know what I mean. This will either be sold or fixed in the 30 days that this video will come out. Hey, so if it's sold, if it's not, you know what I mean. But we'll figure it out, eh? Think someone wants to trade an engine for. This was last night, dude. I was like, what's going on? This was me last. This is me last night at 3 a.m. I'm like, hey.
You gonna start?
I'm in the parking lot like this, going. There's like smoke billowing out of the hood. Some random Albanian pulls into the parking lot. I'm just sitting in their chair, dude. And I'm just like, oi. My bad, dude. He's like, oh, no, you're good. I was like, I thought you saw me on the ring and you were about to come kick me at 3 a.m. at your restaurant. He's like, oh, no, bro. I just got back from the bar. I'm like, all right, dude, sick. He's like, yo, bro, you can come inside. I'll make you a drink. It's all good, bro. If you need to get here all night, a couple weeks, a month, whatever, you good, bro. You're good. You're straight. You're straight. I'm like, yeah, dude. Then they start doing some more questions that I can't talk about on YouTube, but it was a fun novelty, but it's pretty fucking gross. These guys know. It was disgusting.
It looked like a good time,
Yeah,
but a
dude.
bad time at the
No,
same.
dude. I was just like, oh no, where am I at, dude? Like, I literally was like,
What town are you?
bro, I think it was Farmington. I have no idea.
What did you tell the tow truck guy? Like, how did he get there? You just told him the restaurant?
I asked this fucking guy for his address, and he gave me the address. I sent it to the fucking guy. He showed up like, and he like took like an hour to get there. I'm like, dude, he was like home. Took like an hour to get there. I'm sitting there watching these people do some weird fucking restaurant.
He's got Brembos, dude.
You know what I mean? You're gonna break the. You're not gonna be able to steer. You're gonna go inside.
This support that we used for the bicycle car is like in the way of the wheel,
I
and it
feel like
makes
I could just
some
hammer it
noise.
out.
Probably like hammer it downwards.
Yeah, down and like towards
The problem
you.
is it's shredding the belt too.
Yeah, but if I hammer it, it'll be out of the way.
Yeah, I mean, you could try it. As long as we get it to stop touching the wheel and stop touching the belt.
Yeah, let me get.
These bars are doing all the weight. You know what I mean? Like, that bar down there is doing absolutely nothing.
I'll just get.
Just hammer it.
No, I'll cut it.
Oh, okay.
I'll cut one side and then I could probably just pull
You
it.
bend it. Jeez. Right through it, dude. Man. Alright, so that bar is now out of the way. And as you could see there, the belt was starting to get shredded. You could see right on the edge. Oh, he's going to try and break it off. Oh, yeah. Oh.
What I want to do is clean up all the, you know what I mean, stuff in here, so make it look nice.
You could probably just leave that and then just spray it all black or something.
You think so?
Yeah, probably. Thing works mint, dude. He wants me to. I'm going for it. Second.
Swap ever.
All right, so we clearly fixed the weird rubbing issue.
Yeah, no more noise.
I think the resistance from the rubbing was hurting our acceleration, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Because it feels peppier.
This is like a little, like, I feel like we can definitely, like...
No, yeah, but when you do that, you're lifting the whole trans.
Yeah, true. I mean, it didn't seem like it was slipping.
Not at all.
Dude.
I figured out the trick for reverse, too. If you don't want it to bog, you have to start with the wheel straight.
Yeah.
And then back up, and then turn the wheel.
Yeah, because when you turn the wheel, it does...
There's too much resistance.
I think it's because the tree is a little bit, like, not in the right
Yeah, and the
spot.
axles are, like,
Yeah,
stuck.
they're binding. But, dude, third gear?
That was third. Yeah, that was third.
She was cranking. Yeah, that had to, like, every time it was hitting that thing, it had
It was
to,
just
like...
slowing it down.
Yeah. Like, the friction was, like...
Mm-hmm.
And
Now
it was
it's kind of quick, dude.
Dude, that thing is
I
good.
think we could probably hit 4th and 5th, honestly.
Yeah. We need to bring it...
To a straightaway.
Yes, and see how fast this thing actually goes.
I bet it'll do 35, dude, in 5th gear.
I think it'll do 42.
You think it's doing
Like
42?
a straight, flat road,
Yeah.
42.
Probably, yeah.
'Cause
5th
it was
gear.
doing like 27, third
Yeah.
gear, and it wasn't like topped out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking fourth, fifth, dude, we're hitting at least 42.
Probably. All right, what are we doing? Getting paint or?
Yeah, let's go grab some paint.
Oh my god, dude. And you wonder why this thing dies all the time.
It's dead. What's this, a fucking M3 fake? Is this the turbo one?
That, I don't know, but that's matte black. You want matte or gloss?
Gloss. We got the cans, dude. I'm sick of this I'm fucking quitting. I wanna come here and work at Lowe's. He runs like a dream, dude. Wait.
That goes better than my Subaru.
Yeah, it does. That's kind of actually funny, dude.
Hold on, you. There's no shot.
I don't know, we might have this. Oh, panic first. Oh, nope.
I'm trying to hit the brakes, dude.
I'm hitting the brakes. Yeah.
Not bad.
Here's another can.
Oh my god! Dude, what the f?
The whole thing,
Dude,
clean off.
I was just standing back there filming AJ. I was standing right on the side there, and the whole, like, even the metal part broke off. Like, the actual, like, the structural piece snapped.
Should we just self-tap the bumper on so it still looks like a car, kind of?
Yeah.
Maybe take the metal piece off and just use the bumper.
Dude, that New York rot.
Again.
Like, dude, it literally sheared the mounts clean off. That is so rotted.
That is the smell of a blown engine. That one
It
smell.
still smells like
Anyone
it.
watching this has blown an engine, they know exactly the smell.
It's like all the
burnt
fluids.
popcorn.
It's like hot metal and burning oil
yeah,
mixed.
such a distinct smell. Like if you ever go to buy a used engine that smells like this, it's blown.
What are you doing?
Yeah, that's gone. Bye-bye.
Smell it. Take a big whiff.
It's like, yeah, it's blown, that's for sure. It's just like burnt metal and oil and coolant, and that's just all. That's bad.
I kind of want to take the time belt cover off real quick.
Did it like just shut off on you? Just like, did you hear it bang?
She was getting like sluggish, and I
Dude,
was
just
like,
get a
man,
10 and pull the cover off instead.
dude, the timing belt's on there. I'm telling you, that was overheating for 30 minutes on the highway.
You didn't stop?
No, I had to get home, dude. The farther the drive. You know what I mean?
That at the bar?
No. Oh wait, no, leave it like that. Leave it like that. It's fire.
I think we should cut like the small circles out of the back of that.
Just whole saw it.
Yeah, literally.
Like the trunk.
Kyle, someone get in, dude.
What are we doing, dude?
AJ, you gotta press the brakes to get it in gear.
Is that?
Now you have to steer. This morning.
Stop!
You, Kyle, hit the brakes, dude.
He was.
Oh my
still,
god!
dude.
You can stop the car though.
All right.
Almost put it into the ditch back here.
I feel like this thing is good. This guy pulled into the parking lot to film this.
My man es diplomático. Slow man. Mira, diplomático.
I just cut my finger real good, but I was gonna take a look at the coolant hose that I have leaking. It's the one that runs behind the block here, and I have to take this off. I'm trying to get this bolt off here with a wrench, and my pinky came up and clipped this plug here. And I don't like blood, so I'm trying to not think about it, and we're gonna go from here. I have no idea. I'll let you decide.
Give me it.
Should we get the lights off for aesthetic?
Wait, yeah, wait.
Green and flashing.
Oh, does it flash?
It's definitely flashing. I don't know why he's making this face.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Happy birthday to you.
What did you wish for? Did you wish for the 2JZ Twactor?
Okay, these are my wishes. I want Kyle to get another Talon, Orion
God.
from Life OD to start FD, and Damien's WRX to run again one day.
Oh.
That one might actually happen. If not, I mean, I might just sell it, dude.
I know I'm not
You
doing
should
that.
have sold it, dude.
The guy's like, let me sleep on it. I'm like, dude, I'm told you I'm not taking any less, dude.